In this video you learn what pending on Snapchat means, and it's going to be a very simple no BS tutorial like all of the other videos I make. Hey, I'm Dr. Nikki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, so make sure you subscribe if you're new, because me and my team currently have 2 video editors. We upload over 2 videos every single day for your value. We want to take over the how to and make money online niche. So if you appreciate that, make sure you subscribe and also like this video for the YouTube algorithm, because it really helps me out. And I can even shout your Snapchat account, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube down below. Just comment it in one of the comments. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, so I'm on Snapchat right now, and as you can see, I can create some snap and then click on send. So if I send it to some random person I don't know, for example, if I type in Elon, right, for Elon Musk, this is a person I do not know. So when I click send, as you can see, it says pending, right? Do you see it? Pending. And when I click, it's pending. Why is it pending? Well, there can be multiple reasons. The main one is I'm not friends with the person. If I do not know someone, Snapchat will let the person accept or decline this image, because it can be something he's not really interested in seeing. Or if the person blocked me, he'll also get it as pending. Another reason why you might be getting a pending sending message on Snapchat is you're actually having a bad internet connection. For example, if you're sending a longer video, a longer file, chances are this is why it's pending. So it can be someone blocking you, it can be someone that you don't know, or bad internet connection. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. And remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you in the next one. Bye.